We really set out to please the fans and get back to the roots of the game. I think we accomplished that with positive response from all our fans. And now with this complete edition, we really want to give all the DLC and all the downloadable content right there from the start. So if you have the old game and you want to buy the new game, you have everything there for you right away.
So one of our objectives in the complete edition was to ensure that once we packaged all the downloadable content and the game itself together on one disc, when the players out there had that game, that it would function properly not only with itself but also with the existing game that's out there. So if you had a buddy that had the old game and you got the complete edition, you could play with your buddy online.
Right out of the box, you have all the DLC available to you. You have Scarlet, Kenshi, Rain, and Freddy Krueger. A lot of the fans were really asking for the Rain character, so we went and put him in, and it was a lot of work to get him to really work the way he worked in the 2D games. We had the water bubble move. There's this really cool move that was like really quirky compared to all the other moves in the game, where it held the guy, moved him around, and getting that to translate into the 3D game, into our game space was really a challenge, but I think we really nailed it. I'm hoping the complete edition will bring a lot more gamers to Mortal Kombat. Anybody who's been waiting for the game to come out, I really hope they get this game.